dental fillings. If you have any caries or if your tooth is damaged and it can be repaired with a filling material, dental filling is done. And there are some types of dental fillings like composite fillings and also inlays, onlays. Their material will be CAD-CAMmed porcelain, like porcelain material. You can have dental filling treatment. As you know, in the past amalgam was used mostly, but it is a dangerous material for our body. So these days we change amalgam fillings to composite fillings. But this procedure is very important. The dentist must be very careful when removing the amalgam, because when removing the amalgam, if the patient inhalates the amalgam excess, it will be again dangerous for the patient. So if you have so much amalgam fillings, it can be harmful again for you. So you have to change them to composite fillings, or you can have a crown on them. If you have any problems like this, please contact our clinic.